Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this very delicious strawberry fluffy pancakes. If you want to learn how I made this delicious pancake, please stay tuned and watch the entire video. And for our ingredients, I have here is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, sifted, also 2 eggs which I separate the white and the yolk, also the strawberries for the strawberry pancake, and I also have a vanilla extract, salt, and baking powder. I'm going to use 2 types of sugar, which I have here is a powdered sugar and some granulated white sugar. Also going to use 1 cup of whole milk, you could use buttermilk, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 tablespoon hot water, and 1 tablespoon oil for cooking. First things first, I'm going to whisk the egg whites and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the granulated sugar. I'll be whisking this for about 5 minutes or until the texture is fluffy or stiff thick. This is really up to you, but I want mine fluffy. And while that's whisking, I'm going to prepare the strawberry. Now with the strawberry, you're going to slice this into tiny cubes. Tiny pieces as much as possible. You could actually prepare this overnight or ahead of time before you're making your pancake. We're basically making a strawberry jam. Also, the process of this is called maceration. We are going to add white sugar with these strawberries. The white sugar will help absorb the juice from the strawberry. And the result is you're gonna have that strawberry liquid from the combination of the sugar and the strawberry. So you're creating a strawberry jam. Make sure to mix the sugar and the strawberry until they are combined, well combined. And I'm going to add a hot water because I'm going to make this process faster. I don't have 30 minutes to wait. For the sake of the video, I'm basically rushing this, but the best way is to keep this covered for about 30 minutes. So just set that aside. And now there is the whisk egg. See, that's fluffy. If you want it more stiff thick, you could continue whisking it, but this is a perfect texture for me. And now let's just set that aside. We are going to mix the dry ingredients. Start with the all-purpose flour, also the baking powder, and the salt. And also I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white sugar. And mix this until combined. And just set that aside. Now I'm going to mix the wet ingredients. Start with the egg yolk. I'm going to add total of 1 cup of milk, but I'm adding the milk gradually. Start with 2 cups of the 1/4 cup of the milk. Basically, that's total of 1/2 cup of milk. And I'm adding the melted butter. Whisk until combined. Until they'll combine. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And again, just mix until they are combined. I'm going to add that, combine that with the dry ingredients. Now this is really up to you. You could combine all of the ingredients at the same time. But for me, my technique is to add the liquid ingredients gradually, especially the milk, so I could control the texture of the pancake. Now I'm adding another 1/4 cup of milk and mix until they are combined. Just like that. Until you're satisfied to the texture, just continue adding the liquid ingredients with like the milk, like what I'm doing right here. Now that's another 1/4 cup of milk, so total I added 1 full cup of milk. Now I'm happy with the texture of the pancake. I'm going to combine the pancake mix and the fluffy egg whites. Just mix that all together. Make sure you fold this gently. This will help you get a fluffy texture of the pancake. The egg whites, if you whisk the egg whites separately, that will help provide the fluffy texture to your pancake, the fluffy and supple texture. And right there, the mix is perfect for me. And now I'm going to start cooking it. I'm using a thick iron skillet. I recommend using a thick iron skillet instead of a non-stick, like a thin skillet. For some reason, if I use a non-stick skillet, it doesn't cook the pancake right. I just scooped like 1/2 cup of the mixture. So this is basically medium to large size of the pancake. I'm going to cover this and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. When it starts bubbling from the outside of the pancake, this is ready for you to flip on the other side and cook for another 2 minutes. I'm using a medium to low heat because I don't want to overcook the pancake. And now that that is done, just transfer that into a serving plate and continue cooking with the other pancake. Just like that, and same process. Cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes or start bubbling and flip it on the other side. Now there is our first pancake. As you can see, it's fluffy and this is actually smells good too. Now I'm going to pour over or add the strawberry mixture or the strawberry jam. Do this while the pancake is nice and hot because this will absorb the strawberry juice evenly. Some people would like to add a slices of strawberries while they're cooking the pancake. I like mine this way because I notice the juice will spread out evenly to the pancake instead of just adding a whole fruit or a slice of fruit to the pancake mix. And with our second pancake, just flip that on the other side and again cook it for about 2 minutes. And this is done. And you're just gonna put this over on top of our first pancake. And same process, you're going to top this with the strawberry mixture or the strawberry jam. So you could see the pancake already absorbed the strawberry juice. Again, I like this process because I noticed that this will actually, the flavor of the strawberry will be divided, will get spread out evenly to the pancake. As you can see, the juice is already absorbed by the pancake. And top it with the powdered sugar. And there is our delicious, super tasty, fluffy strawberry pancake. Now let's see what she thinks.
How is it? Thumbs up? Is it good? 2 thumbs up.
I hope you liked this video and please come back and see us again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao!